Hello dear student, and welcome back for a new semester with a new lesson. Today we are going to talk about a new subject or new topic, which is Meet Edison Robot. This is a new to you guys. Today we are going to take or talk about robotics. So I hope you enjoy this lesson. Pay attention and let's start. Our objectives for today are: what is Edison Robot? Meet Edison Robot. Parts of Edison like sensors and other stuff. Ed blocks programming language. So we are going to have a small introduction about Ed blocks programming language. So what is Edison Robot? Edison is a programmable robot designed to be a complete STEM teaching resource for coding and robotics education for all ages. Edison is Lego compatible, which means you can make bigger projects using this one. Some of you may wonder, is this a real robot? It doesn't have a head, body, legs, arms. Yes, I can tell you and assure you this is a real robot. Robot doesn't mean it should have head, body, legs, and hands, as long as they are programmable using sensors, motors, and so on.
Meet Edison. Edison is a robust educational robot designed to bring coding to life for students and help teachers deliver meaningful 21st century education. But Edison isn't just a robot. It's a complete STEM solution, including 3 progressive programming languages, an engineering expansion kit, and flexible educational resources which support students and teachers every step of the way. Edison makes learning computer science an authentic hands-on experience that engages students far more than a simple screen can. Students of all ages and abilities can kickstart learning with Edison's unique barcodes, activating preset programs in the robots. They can then jump into any of Edison's 3 programming languages and start creating for themselves. Fully graphical EdBlocks is intuitive and fun, perfect for introducing anyone to programming. EdScratch combines the ease of drag-and-drop programming with powerful functionality and versatility, offering a robust platform for computer science education. Text-based EdPy makes learning the core of a real-world programming language achievable, empowering students to take their exploration of robotics and coding to a more advanced level. With complete lesson plans, teacher guides, and student activities written at grade appropriate reading levels and focused on topics students love, Edison helps deliver coding and STEM education across primary, middle, and early high school. Designed for the classroom environment, the robots are durable, have no loose parts to manage, and thanks to their compact size, are easy to store. Edison works right out of the box, fully pre-built with all sensors ready to use. There's no software to install or manage, making it easy to use Edison with different device types and platforms, including laptops and tablets. Edison empowers students to become not just coders, but inventors, problem solvers, and creative thinkers. Self-directed lessons and activities allow students to work at their own pace, building key skills as they progress. Thanks to its multiple inbuilt sensors and expandable build capabilities, opportunities to enhance education beyond coding abound with Edison. Extension activities, challenges, and open-ended projects using Edison let students invest in their own learning, exploring a range of skills across mathematics, science, critical thinking, engineering, and more. With Edison, the possibilities are endless.
So parts of Edison. As you can notice over here, we have many sensors. First one is called sounder or sound sensor. It can detect sound. We have here 3 buttons to switch on off, not on off, I mean you can start the robot with it, you can program it, and you can stop the program. Here we have the post holes for Lego to connect other Lego parts. Here we have the light sensors to detect light. Here we have the microcontroller, which controls the whole robot. Here we have the infrared light receiver to receive infrared signal. We have LEDs, red lights. We have one here and one over here. We have infralight transmitter, and at the bottom of the robot we have line tracking sensor to follow the line. Now, to program our tiny robot Edison, we should use a program or a website called www.edblocksapp.com. We can open it on the computer, we can open it on the tablet, anywhere that we want to program Edison. So welcome to EdBlocks. EdBlock is an icon-based robot programming language for Edison Robot. EdBlock is a great way to learn programming fundamentals. So as I told you before, you can launch EdBlocks using this link. Click on the link. This page will open in front of you. Here you can see the blocks. You just can add, drag and drop blocks and connect them like a train. By the way, to program Edison, we are not going to use USB because it doesn't have a USB to connect the computer with. We are going to connect it through our sound port through the AUX.
Let's get started with EdBlocks. Using EdBlocks is easy. Just drag and drop the blocks you want to build a program. Simply click on a number to change a block's duration. You can find more blocks by clicking on the arrow buttons. Once you've built your program, you can download it to your Edison robot. Connect your Edison to your computer using the EdCom cable. Press the round record button on Edison one time. Then click the Program button in EdBlocks. Make sure your volume is turned all the way up. Then click Program Edison. Edison will follow your program one block at a time. EdBlocks makes it easy to experiment with programming. With over 150 blocks, there's so much you can do. What will you create with Edison and EdBlocks?
This concludes our lesson for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any question, feel free to contact me anytime. Thanks for your attention and stay safe.